Hello everyone and welcome to your 17th Adobe Photoshop tutorial, Blending Modes Part 2. In this tutorial, we will continue our talk on the collaboration of the selection tool and the selections with the other tools that we have over here. So let's start. Now all the tools work according to the selections that we have made. For example, in the previous tutorial we made the selection of the land over here by first selecting the sky and then inverting that selection, and for now let's see, is the selection proper or not. We have a problem over here that the land is being left out, so we can quickly go back to our quick selection tool, add to selection, and then click and drag. As you can see, a lot of other area is now being selected. We'll go back again, delete from selection, decrease the size of the selection tool, and then keep clicking and dragging to move the selection down. Remember, we don't need it to be much precise. Again, add a little to the selection, subtract from the selection, again add, and that will do for now. Okay, so now let's just select the flower layer back again, shut on its eye. Now let's try other tools. First let's select the brush tool, right click, select any type of brush, and then as soon as you left click and drag, it will paint on top of the image. Now all this is fine, working normally, no problem. But what the selection tool does in accordance to other tools is that, for example, if you left click and drag over the selection area, it will not paint above that. As soon as you come inside the area, it will paint. So this allows us to paint precisely on the edges. As you can see, this has been painted. I'm just left clicking and dragging. But for the purpose of our aim, what we have to use is the eraser tool. Left click and select the eraser tool. Increase its size. Since we are working on selection criteria, we don't have to worry about going off the edges. Right click, select a hard brush, and then left click and drag. As you can see, all of the image, the flower image below the selection area, that is inside the selection area, got deleted. Now let's go back and select our move tool, hit Ctrl plus D and deselect it since we no longer need the selection. Now what we have to do is select the eraser tool, once again right click, select a soft brush, increase its size, and then we will just smooth out the edges a little bit. That's it. That's why the selection did not have to be proper. Now let's go back to the blending modes and select lighten. Decrease the opacity of the layer to around 50%. And then you can see this has given a very nice texture to the sky over here. As you can see, the sky looks very good and with a good texture over here, and that's how we use the blending modes and the tools in accordance to the selection. Well guys, that's it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.